In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund from Hostinger. So what you want to do, I'm going to show you this article here and I'm going to talk you through it. There's a few different things. So to initiate an automatic refund, go to the Initiate Refund Request page on your H panel. You can see it goes to Paid Invoices. And there will be your paid invoices here, and there'll be a button here to refund. Here you go. This is the URL, hpanel.hostinger.com/paid-invoices. Some services are not refundable, and in that case, you're going to have to either go to their live chat or send them an email to their page and ask for your refund. Now, in a lot of cases, they won't refund you. It really depends the reason why you want a refund, and there's different factors for it. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.